In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink. Verifying your Roblox account through Bloxlink is an important step if you want to gain access to certain Discord servers, unlock community features, and ensure that your Roblox profile is properly connected to your Discord account. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire verification process from start to finish so you can get everything linked correctly. To begin, open Discord and navigate to the server where Bloxlink is being used. Most Roblox-related communities that use Bloxlink will have a dedicated verification channel where members can verify their accounts. Once you've located the appropriate server, go to the verification channel and type the /verify command, then press enter to send it. After submitting the command, Bloxlink will respond with a message containing verification options. You'll notice a verification button that allows you to continue the process. Click the option to verify with Bloxlink and then select Visit Site when prompted. This will open the Bloxlink verification page in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in with Discord. Click the Sign In button and log into your Discord account if necessary. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to the next stage of the verification process. At this point, you'll see a message indicating that you're ready to connect your Roblox account to Discord. Click the Verify Now button to continue. The verification wizard will guide you through the remaining steps, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Next, click the Next button and proceed to sign into your Roblox account. Once you've logged in, you'll be asked to confirm the connection and grant the required permissions. Carefully review the information being requested and then select the option to confirm and give access. After authorization has been completed, Bloxlink will display a list of Discord servers where it is active and available for verification. Review the list and select all relevant servers where you would like your Roblox account verification to apply. Once you've made your selections, click Confirm to finalize the process. After a few moments, the verification will be completed successfully. Your Roblox account will now be linked to your Discord account through Bloxlink, allowing participating servers to recognize your Roblox profile and provide the appropriate roles, permissions, and access within their communities. That's all there is to it. You have now successfully verified your Roblox account on Discord using Bloxlink. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel.